sa lahat. Good evening po sa lahat. Maalab na pagbati sa lahat. Ang akin pong ibibigay na speech ay hindi po sa akin, kundi ako lamang po ay magbabasa ng mensahe ng ating kagalang-galang Arvin Manuel Villalon, ang Commissioner for the Arts and the Head of the Committee of Music of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or the NCCA. He will join us tomorrow at Rojas City. To Honorable Governor Fredinil H. Castro of the province of Capiz, Honorable Mayor Joe Villanueva of the Municipality of Sipian, Municipal Officials of Sipian, Capiz, Alfonsus Tesoro, Sir, Head of the Provincial Tourism Office of Capiz, guests from the media and organisasyon ng Pilipino ng mga awit o ng OPM, people of Sipian and the province of Capiz, fellow artists and musicians, to Kaya, who came all the way from Manila. Good evening and a happy celebration of Sipian's Fiesta, ang ating Telebigan Festival 2024. By virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 933 that was signed in 2014, we celebrate every last week of July the Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino, or the LMP. This year marks a decade or 10 years of promotion and acknowledgement of the importance of the Filipino music. The aim of this celebration is to promote our local Filipino music and therefore our artists and music industry in the Philippines. Lagi nating sinasabi na magaling ang Pilipino kahit saan man sa mundo pagdating sa musika. Nananalo tayo sa mga kompetisyon, mga talent searches, at kinikilala tayo bilang isang bansa na mayaman sa musika. Amidst the pride, there is the big challenge of how we can further develop our own music based on our history and our identity. Some critics would say that we are copycats. Nangongopya lang tayo, no? Of what is found in the market. We copy Celine Dion, the K-pop singers, and even the American or British artists. Yet we fail to promote what is our own Filipino music. This is the reason why we have Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino that we celebrate every end of July, every week at the end of July. It is to remind ourselves that we should continue to create and promote our own music. We have actually taken the world stage with our original Filipino music, such as Freddy Aguilar's Anak, which was translated to several languages, or with the group SB19, that is currently taking the world by storm through what is called now P-pop or Pinoy pop. Our choral scene is vibrant, and through the music, we promote our heritage all over the world. Di ba nakakarinig tayo ng mga foreign choirs na kumakanta na ng ating mga awitin at arrangements na tayo ay very, very proud. What is the reason behind all this? It is because Philippine music is alive. It continues to be our expression of relationships, values, and markers of celebration such as fiestas, reunions, and occasions. We tell our stories through music, such as in the Panay traditions of the Sugidanon and the Composo. With many laws that support heritage and with acknowledgement of the creative industry, the government and the public should continue to celebrate and promote original Filipino music. There is also a need to support all music cultures found in our country, such as the music of the indigenous, the lowland cultures, nationalism, and even the popular music. We shine in the world stage, but still grounded in our Filipino roots and identity. I therefore request, especially the young people who are present tonight, to continue creating and promoting Filipino music. Amidst our diversity and archipelagic nature, it is music that binds us. Music is a vehicle that can unite and heal our country. Congratulations to the organizers of this week-long celebration, to the NCCA Secretariat led by Rudy, Sir Rudy, the OPM or the Original Filipino Music, the PhilPop or the PPOP, to the province of Capiz, sa inyong lahat. You are the first site outside Metro Manila to celebrate Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino. Unang-una po ito sa 10 taon na pagdilawan natin, dito po napili ng NCCA na gawin po ito, and this is the first. Okay? Yay! Okay, sana pagpatuloy pa ito, no? It may not be the last. Kaya ang laki ng challenge po sa inyo. So we hope to have more regional promotions in the years to come, where all LGUs and private sectors will celebrate not only for 1 week in July, but all the days in the year, this very beautiful resource that we have. Tomorrow, there is the artist talk by Professors Joey Soliman, that's me, and another guest, Sir Robert Delgado, on Filipino music cultures and the choral scene, which will be held in Rojas City. We hope to see you there. In behalf of the Music Committee and the Commission of the Arts of the National Commission for the Culture and Arts, I remain in support of the culture and arts endeavors of the province of Capiz. Durugid nga, salamat Capiz and sa PIAN. Ipadayon na to ang pag-promote sa musika Filipino. Maayong gabi and happy fiesta sa tanan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Joey Soliman Jr. for delivering the message of Commissioner Arvin Manuel Villalon of the Subcommission on the Arts of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts.